Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski. So, beginning this week, there's going to be a pretty busy stream of videos and information coming as we begin to ramp up into our drafting for SA3. We'll be talking about topics and structures and all the strategies that are required to be successful. So, beginning here in the home page, I'm moving over to the announcements. This week's schedule, the initial post will be due to discussion board number 2 on Tuesday. And pretty much the same format as last week with a response by Thursday and then another response on Sunday. Looking for some serious engagement on this particular topic. So when you respond, please offer some suggestions and some brainstorming help with everyone on their particular discussion boards and potential topics. So what I'd like to get over to is the modules to show everyone that I have created discussion board number 2. This is regarding a possible topic for your uh, SA3. All right. So in order to really go through the instructions, you must watch the video that I've recorded in Panopto here in the instruction topics. I'll give you the context for the specific instructions for the discussion board. Yours, as same as last week, I'm looking for about 300 words as an initial post and discussing the prompts. Once again, if you use a GDoc for the discussion board post, to copy and paste your initial post into the text box and then go about responding. So, like say here too, it's a simple discussion board format. So I also kind of provide an out here for those of you who can't stand listening to my voice, and that's even me. Sometimes I can't stand listening to my voice. I have a copy of the PowerPoint that can be accessed by clicking here. It is uploaded to the files section. All right, so you want to watch the video, even look at the PowerPoint to help you out during the writing of this particular discussion board post. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Right. So, and looking at the week's activity, once again, we're going to be looking at the initial post. It is designed to stimulate a conversation and the two responses. All right, talking about problems and solutions, causes and effect of certain problems in higher education. All right. So, want to make sure that you are collecting plenty of assignments and posts in your discussion boards. All of that does feed into the reading notes. I am using discussion board 2 to develop topics. It's normally related to Murray and Unger, and even if we had the opportunity to watch Ivory Tower in class. So what I'm trying to do here is move some of the in-class activities into the discussion board so everyone can work through the particular problem and solution formatting here. So you want to look at the essay instructions. You want to keep thinking about the readings and research that is available to you here as you move through the unit. Also, you want to be able to work through the various information about using and citing sources, and there'll be some more additional videos. Here, let me get back to the schedule once again here. Okay, so as you will find that I will produce another lecture video about the learning materials. It should be available about Wednesday or Thursday of this week, and continue your work toward moving toward the drafting, I believe, of SA3, which will be due next week. Any issues with grading or problems or not being able to view videos, please send me an email and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, so I'm wrapping this up because there'll be other videos to talk about content and structure this week. So good luck and stay safe out there.